Conversion rate is one of the most important metrics for an online store. Wouldn't you agree? You can spend a lot of money on product quality and operational excellence and have all the traffic in the world, but what good is it if only a few customers buy? You want your marketing efforts to bring in the results you expect and more, but this doesn't just happen automatically. You need to optimize your site to get there. In this video, we'll go over the relationship between optimizing your online store through e-commerce optimization techniques and increasing conversion rate. Stick to the end to gain valuable insight into common mistakes to avoid to maximize these techniques. Increase online conversions through e-commerce optimization. Coming up with a game plan to increase the sales of an online store relies on two strategies. Investing in brand awareness and advertising through channels such as PPC, SEO, social media, etc., and leveraging technology like automation, MarTech, new features, email marketing, etc. However, few take advantages of a strategy that can achieve worthwhile results with a relatively small investment. Behold, web optimization. Compared to service-based businesses with an online presence, e-commerce stores often have lower conversion rates. But why is that? Well, remember that the type of industry influences e-commerce conversion rates and can range anywhere between 0.6% to 5.5%. But why such a low conversion rate? Short answer: long shopping experiences. E-commerce requires users to go through many steps to purchase online. As a result, it can lead to poor user experience and decreased instant gratification that ultimately influences the continued intent to purchase online. Kicking off your e-commerce optimization. Whether your online store hosts on Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magneto, there are multiple conversion optimization techniques that you can perform on your website to improve its efficiency. Update your merchant center and add recommended products. Focus on improving your catalog over time. Enhance your site with wish lists. Use promotions to your advantage. And add multiple high-resolution images for each product. Now that we've covered all the highlights, let's go over the best practices for each to promote your online store. Merchant Center Product Data Update. It's no doubt that Google is everyone's go-to platform for online searches. In fact, up to 49% of online shoppers in 2019 said they use Google to discover products. Even more the reason why your products need to be cataloged on Google, especially if you want to appear in front of high-intent buyers online. As an online merchant, it is your responsibility to ensure that product data is constantly updated, and that includes adding new products, removing out-of-stock items, renewing discounts or special promotions, and more. Improve your catalog over time. If your business is growing, so is your online catalog. When you expand your store's products, you ultimately widen your target audience while maximizing your existing audience's buying potential. Growing your online catalog can also enhance customers' loyalty by providing more options to choose from. Anyone purchasing online expects variations, organization, and alternatives to an existing array of products that ultimately distinguishes your businesses from competitors. 3 ways online merchants can grow their product catalogs are adding new products, updating existing products, and including variations of current products. Wishlist customers always come back to. You see a product you like, aren't quite ready to buy it, but want to save it for later. Similar recommended product wishlist provides users a personalized experience when navigating your online store and the likelihood of completing a purchase. Knowing you can go back to a list of products and go straight to checkout is a convenience many shoppers love, especially when shopping in large quantities. Pro tip: wishlists are perfect for e-commerce email remarketing strategy because to create one, a user must provide basic information to create an account. Engage audiences with promos. Because every shopper likes a little extra something, incentives such as discounts or free shipping are always a plus that motivates them to engage further with your online store. Pro tip: when applying promos to your products, make them easily visible and available so that buyers don't have a hard time redeeming or using them upon checkout. Accentuate your products with high-resolution visuals. Last but not least, store owners should use high-resolution images for online products. What happened to the last time you were shopping and ran into a low-quality image for the item you were interested in? You went on to the next store to shop from, right? Yeah, it's disappointing, so adding images that speak up to your product is crucial to achieving the sales potential they are capable of. Last pro tip. Did you know you could A/B test images? Google Shopping lets you determine which product images work on best for your campaigns to maximize results. Takeaways. There you have it. In this video, we put together 5 optimization techniques to implement for your online store if you want to start seeing those conversions come through the door. We are confident you'll avoid encountering these common mistakes online merchants tend to make with tactics such as this: irrelevant and useless product information on landing pages, complicated and poor checkout processes, lack of KPI tracking tools such as Google Analytics, and poor engagement with potential shoppers. Although we've reached the end of this video, we have high expectations that your online storefront will flourish by using these tactics. Continue getting more ideas by subscribing to our YouTube channel. We post videos every week, so get that notification bell working. See you in the next one.